It's always a good sign when you hear a good crack. It means you got some movement going on. There we go.
I have all their axes.
Not that Fisker. Different, more expensive Fisker.
I like the scissors.
Yeah, I like the scissors. Back in 06, when you had to get all your Super Pro bushings from Gary Selstrom in a group buy.
Yeah, I'm a fucking genius, and I ordered torque arm bushings. Being smart, and all, you know.
Yeah.
And then turns out you need to buy 2 sets because you know there's one on each side of the car. A lot of the shit is I'm going to IPD and I got a spot, so it's like, how come the box is open but these haven't been touched? And like, don't talk to me like that.
Talk to me about this. If you don't know, then just fucking buy them and figure it out.
Start ordering shit and it's always on a Saturday night.
Huh?
And I'm on SCP and it's like, okay, you have an 86. Cool. Well, here's this package deal, and then in very small print, we're gonna put that it's for 90 and up. So have fun noticing that 2 months later when you go to do your brakes.